Hi Mr. Bledsoe, it's FawnG from your A2 class, and this is my video assignment for factoring a quadratic expression. So the first expression that I decided to factor was factoring using a greatest common factor. And my problem is 40x to the fourth power minus 20x to the second power minus 10x. And when you have an expression like this, you can easily find a greatest common factor. And my greatest common factor is 10x. So I went and slowly redid my problem. So it went from 40x to the fourth minus 20x to the second minus 10x to 10x times 4x to the third minus 2x minus 1. And you can easily point this out because each of these numbers is divisible by 10x. 40x to the fourth divided by 10x is 4x to the third. 20x to the second power divided by 10x is 2x. And then 10x divided by 10x is 1. So that's how I figured out factoring using greatest common factor. Then I went and did factoring using differences of squares, or difference of squares. And my expression is 16x squared minus 25. Well, as you can tell, each of these numbers is a perfect square. 16 can easily be turned into 4, and then 25 can easily be turned into 5. So I said 4x plus 5 times 4x minus 5. I used the distributive property and got 16x squared minus 20x plus 20x minus 25. Negative 20x plus and positive 20x cancel out, and you get 16x squared minus 25. And then my last one is factoring easy case trinomials. And my expression is b plus 16b plus 64. And I went and found the numbers I'd be using. A equals 1, since there's no number in front of b squared. B equals 16, because 16b. And then c is 64. And I went and used the diamond method and put 64 at the top, because that's where c goes. 16 at the bottom, because that's where b goes. And then I looked through all the numbers and found that 8 times 8 is 64, but when you add them together, 8 plus 8 equals 16. So I went and did b plus 8 times b plus 8. Used distributive property and got b squared plus 8b plus 8b plus 64. Then I found you can add 8b and 8b, and then when I added them together, I got b squared plus 16b plus 64. I found that this project was really easy, factoring and turning into a video, and when we were going over this in class, I found it really, really easy. So thank you for this assignment, and thanks Mr. Bledsoe for teaching this to us. This was really fun, and I enjoyed doing these videos. Thank you!